Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 5, 2024, Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 5, 2024, Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, January 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 5, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 105 million pesos for Friday, January 5, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Friday, January 5, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.